Alright, I got another Zippo in, and this one I really like. Let's take a quick look at it. Comes in the normal black box from Zippo, and the label on it is Tattoo Flame. You can see it's got the normal Zippo markings, made in USA and Zippo. Now this one has a black shiny finish. It's not quite the ice finish, but it's black and shiny. It's got the flames on one side, also has the flames on another side, on the other side. This would be a good carry one. It would show fingerprints, but wouldn't be too noticeable because of the flames. Okay, and the markings on this thing are, that is E of 12. That would be May of last year. Fires up nice like a good Zippo should. Got a pretty good sound. Now this one's probably going to go in my dark side collection, but I'd like to put it in my flame collection. Pretty nice flames. The only other thing I got like this kind of flame is the blue. There's a blue bodied Zippo with the label or the logo on it. But this only has the flames on one side. But they are similar. So yeah, this is a Zippo you can count on just about every time. That is a Tattoo Flame Zippo. That'll be going into my dark side collection. Knuckle bump.